I don't know what I did to deserve this, but some thoughtful interior designer left me makeshift musical instruments, and I'm feeling very lucky. Check this out. 3 glasses dangerously close to the dishwasher, just sitting on the counter with water in them so that I can grab a spoon and make music. I love it. First, let's talk about the design. Nailed it. Rule of 3 never fails. Glassware, bringing in the light, opening up the space, and actually making the kitchen feel bigger, as I mentioned in past videos. I'm going to take this spoon and I'm going to start my day with the most beautiful melody. Let's listen. Just brings a smile to your face, doesn't it? Certainly does mine.